I was going to go through the woods so I could video it.
Okay.
And this is around the Mango Cottage, a little meditation place. And there it is, the Mango Cottage. With all the beautiful plant life around it. And the bathroom, and the shower, and the little kitchen on the side. And this is the banana cottage. And there's the path, which I'm about to take into the woods so I can walk to Akiko's and get breakfast. And all that noise you hear is the garbage and the recycling being taken because we're leaving today and it's sad. And the rest of the noise you hear are the jungle sounds. You can see this path goes right through the jungle. Pretty dark in here, but pretty beautiful. And then there's the plantation house here in the clearing.